In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate AdsPower with AI. We'll be setting up a simple workflow inside AdsPower that uses AI to generate text and then automatically place that text into a browser field. This is useful when you want to speed up repetitive writing tasks while keeping the process inside your automation flow. Start by opening AdsPower. From there, go to the RPA section, then open Processes and choose Create Process. This gives you a blank workflow canvas where you can build the automation step by step. Once you're on the canvas, look over to the left side action panel, find the section labeled AI or third-party tools, and expand it. This is where AdsPower groups integrations and external service actions, including the one we need for AI text generation. Now drag the OpenAI block from that panel into your workflow canvas. This block is what connects your process to the AI service and allows it to generate text based on your instructions. In the required field inside that block, paste your OpenAI API key. Make sure the key is entered carefully so the connection can work properly. If the key is invalid or incomplete, the block won't be able to return a result. Next, write your text prompt. This prompt tells the AI exactly what you want it to do. For example, you might ask it to read text on a web page and write a natural 3-sentence reply comment. The clearer your prompt is, the better and more consistent the output will be. After that, save the process output text into a variable. This is important because it stores the AI-generated response, so you can use it in the next action instead of losing it after the block runs. Finally, add a keyboard input block and configure it to paste that saved AI response into your target browser form field. This lets AdsPower automatically insert the generated text wherever you want it to appear. That's the full setup for automating AdsPower with AI.